If I'm riding a bicycle, is it really necessary to follow the same rules as someone driving a car?
Yes. When you're riding a bicycle, following the same rules as other vehicles makes your movements more predictable to others on the road and can make you safer when you ride. It's also the law in Texas. Like any other vehicle, ride with the flow of traffic, not against it. Ride on the right side of the road, just like a motorist drives on the right. Just like you want a motorist to stop at a stop sign or a red light when going through an intersection, taking an extra moment to stop when you're riding a bicycle gives you and the other road users a chance to see each other and avoid a potential crash. For the same reason, if you cross a street using a pedestrian crosswalk, walk your bike across instead of riding. That slower movement is more predictable to motorists and is safer for other pedestrians who may be crossing. Signal when you are about to turn or change lanes. It gives other road users more time to react and reduces the risk of conflict. Use extra caution when moving from a sidewalk or separate path onto a roadway. Watch for other vehicles and signal to let motorists know you're moving into the lane of traffic. Following traffic laws is an essential part of sharing the road.